guys, we are in Daman right now.
Hey guys, hello, I hope you all are doing good. So this is Vibha and welcome back to our channel. So this time we are bringing you some beach inspiration straight from Union Territory, Daman. So guys, recently we took a trip to Daman and the experience was super awesome. Daman is a Union Territory situated just 15 kilometers from Vapi, a border town on Gujarat and Maharashtra border. Daman was initially a Portuguese colony and now it is very famous for its beaches, beach resort, popular local weekend getaway and industrial hub. We went from Mumbai to Daman by road, and by road the distance is 171 kilometers and it will take around 2 to 3 hours to reach Daman from Mumbai. Daman and Diu, along with Goa, was a colony held by Portuguese even after Indian independence. The story goes like this. Once upon a time, the Portuguese Diego de Melo arrived at the spot by chance in 1523. He was caught in violent storm and has had his boat blown towards the coast of Daman. Soon after, it was settled as Portuguese colony, which lasted for 300 to 400 years. To add further, Daman was liberated in the year 1961 along with Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Goa and Diu, and this union territory lies on the banks of Daman Ganga river.
Hey guys, we are in Daman right now. We are at Lighthouse Beach. It is full of energy and happiness. There are lots of people around who are enjoying themselves with adventurous water sports, boating, and of course a good family time.
Daman was incorporated into the Republic of India on 19 December 1961 after battle between Portuguese and Indian military. This union territory is famous for blue sea and rustic beaches. So if you are a beach person, Daman is your place. Daman is very close to state of Gujarat, so you will see a lot of tourists turning up from different cities of Gujarat. Also, we all know that Gujarat is a dry state where there is no alcohol provided. So Daman becomes that one center to enjoy drinking and good meal. This beautiful city is very famous for enjoying drinks, for its seafood and tax-free and cheap liquor. Guys, if you're at Lighthouse Beach, do not forget to enjoy the water ride. The cost of water ride starts from 300 rupees and it goes till 1500 rupees. After spending beautiful time at Lighthouse Beach, we headed to Jampore Beach, which is another famous and crowded beach of Daman. Jampur Beach is another famous beach and tourist attraction. People from Gujarat and Mumbai come here to enjoy on weekend. Jampur Beach is surrounded by these tall, beautiful casuarina trees. Also, here car parking is free, so you can come with your private vehicle, either you can come with a public transport. Beaches are more romantic and beautiful when you visit at evening, so I will highly recommend you to visit at evening during sunset. The most interesting fact about both the beaches, Lighthouse and Jampur, was that Jampur Beach water was very still as compared to Lighthouse Beach water was on high tide. This tall structure, which you can see divided into black and white color, is called Lighthouse, and opposite to this there is a beach which is famously called as Lighthouse Beach. Also guys, you can enjoy your comfortable stay at Daman in these beautiful tent houses. Daman is a place which was dominated by Portuguese for several years. So you can see a lot of influence of Portuguese culture and Portuguese architecture across Daman. After spending some delightful time at beaches, now we are heading to Bom Jesus Church, which is considered to be one of the oldest church in Daman.
Bom Jesus Church was completed in 1603 AD and it was as in its present form. Unfortunately, it's closed. We are here for the second time in the day, but it's closed.
After Bom Jesus Church, we visited to one more oldest monuments of Daman, famously called as the Chapel of Our Lady of Rosario. This church was built by Portuguese in the 17th century and this is considered to be one of the oldest monuments in Daman. This church is located in Old Moti Daman Fort. So that's it guys from Daman video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do consider to subscribe our channel. Also do not forget to hit the like button. This is Vibha signing off. Thank you.